Hi, this is Jocelyn from First Group, the marketing manager, and I'm going to be taking you through the First Group website today on how to make a reservation. It really is so simple. If you look at the website, you would need to go to Book Now. You can select your property or leave it blank to see what properties are available on the dates that you would like. Put your check-in date and your checkout dates. The number of rooms that you require, the number of people, and the number of children, and check availability. You will then head on over to our booking engine. The booking engine that we're on at the moment is the First Group booking engine, which gives you all the available properties for the dates that you have selected. If that property is not available for the date that you've selected, it will show as sold out. Select your property by clicking on Book. You'll now be on the page where you can now select the different room or the room that you require. You'll notice here it has room rates and it will have packages that are available for the amounts of time that you've booked for. In this instance, we've booked for one night. Let's have a look at what packages are available. So we have a bed and breakfast package that is available for one night. I'm going to go back to the rooms, and here you will always be shown your lowest rate available. We have a wonderful special on at the moment, which is a last minute booking of 20% off. You then select the room that you require. For the purposes of this, I'm going to book the 3-bedroom apartment. This will then show me a gallery of what the room looks like. The amenities that are available inside the room. An option to upgrade my room at an additional cost. And a wonderful feature that we now have on our website is adding holiday extras before you arrive. It's a great way to save and also pre-plan your holiday. On the right hand side, we have different pricing options, starting with the best price to the highest price. We also have different rates, a refundable rate or a non-refundable rate. Once you've selected the rate that you require, you add to room and check out. So then we come to the final stage of your booking. Your reservation details will be on the left hand side, and you will see here that I've chosen the last minute 20% off rate. I've chosen a 3-bedroom apartment, one of them. Price for that 3-bedroom apartment. The rate includes taxes, and if I want to add on any other notes, like its 50th birthday, celebration, that will go through to reservations, through to the front office, and they will have that note on your booking. You would then enter in your details. I have mine on auto select, so it fills it in for me. I would then enter my credit card details. I definitely want to find out about the amazing specials that we have. You need to agree to the terms and conditions and click Book Now. You will then be taken through to a safe payment gateway and your reservation will be booked. You will then receive an email confirming your reservation. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you.